How you doing, everyone? Well, we're back at it again here in the Proformance Unlimited Dyno Room. Got a Pontiac 461. This particular package is rated at 500 horsepower. This is equipped with a fast EFI system. Okay, this is one of the many EFI systems we offer here. We also have the MSD, Atomic. We have the fast, the throttle body injection. We also do multi-port injection. We have the Inglisi stack systems. We have the Tech system, and that's the EFIs. We also use Holly. We're going to do a dyno pull, show you guys some numbers, and hope you enjoy. Alright, well, just got done making 544 horsepower and a little over 600 foot-pounds of torque. Like I said, this is the throttle body fast EFI. We offer many different EFI systems. We can drop a carburetor on here if you want. That's what Proformance Unlimited is about. Custom engines, okay? March kits. Couple different setups there. We can paint these any color you want. If you're interested in any one of our Pontiacs, our Fords, Chevys, Buicks, Oldsmobiles, check us out online, www.customcrateengines.com, or give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Hope to hear from you, and have a good night.